is crooked. Nope, still crooked. Nope, now it's gonna fall. We got it.
Hey everybody, I hope you had a great weekend and I hope you had a very productive Sunday. Sundays are always gist days for me. That's G-Y-S-T, if you guys know what that means. I watch a lot of Kayla Nicholson videos and she has a lot of gist days that she features. I'm just saying. Anyway, I'm back at you with another recipe and I would love for you guys in the comments below, please let me know what recipe you want me to try. I've been focusing on low carb and keto recipes. So if you guys could just let me know of something else that you're interested in, that you would like for me to post for a new video. I want to get into this green keto recipe with you. I think you'll really like it. I've been making it now for probably about 14 days. It took me a little bit of time to perfect it and I think I'm finally there. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you like it. And yeah, let's just go into the recipe, shall we?
So I'm so excited to show you guys how to make this green matcha keto smoothie. It is absolutely delicious and it definitely satisfies my sweet tooth. So the ingredients that we're going to use is an avocado, vanilla extract, Swerve, baby spinach, coconut milk, matcha powder, and a little bit of xanthan gum to thicken it. First, I'm going to start by cutting up the avocado. You can either use a small avocado and use the entire avocado, or a larger one and just use the half of avocado. This makes it really, really creamy and has the consistency very close to ice cream, which I absolutely love. Here I'm just getting rid of some of the bad parts of the avocado and I'm going to throw that into the blender and make sure I spread that around nicely to evenly distribute. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is add a half cup of coconut milk and I'm also going to add a half cup of water. Next, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'm going to get into my Swerve sweetener and do 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on how sweet you like. Clearly, I do 2 tablespoons because I like it sweet, and I'm going to add that to the mixture. We're going to do a handful of the baby spinach. At this time, we're also going to put in a half a teaspoon of the matcha powder, and then we're going to use a 1/4 of a teaspoon to put in the xanthan gum, which actually thickens it up really close to a nice ice cream consistency. And finally, I add in the ice cubes, and now I'm going to put on the top and get ready to blend this baby up. And it is going to be absolutely delicious. This is what I eat every night when I get home from work, and it's amazing. It pours out so smooth, and it is just fantastic. The consistency is almost like a tea flavor that you get because of the matcha powder, and I absolutely love it.
Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the green matcha keto smoothie. If you guys look below, I'll put all of the ingredients down there and how to make it. And then definitely please comment on what keto recipe you would like for me to make next. If you could please like and subscribe to my videos, that's how I know I'm doing a good job. So thank you guys so much and stay tuned for the next video, which is my 1-week keto results. They're pretty good, guys, so I'm really excited about this. And anybody that I can tell about this new lifestyle change, I'm going to, because it has, 1, I've lost a lot of weight, and 2, I just feel really good, and the mental clarity has been fantastic. So yeah, I can't wait to see you guys till next time, and stay tuned. Bye. You guys hear that? That's the dog drinking water. Let's just wait. Is this light too bright? Is it okay? You still drinking? I don't even know where I was now. There she is.